Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1993 Jaguar XJ220 S. As you can see, it's by Matchbox and it's part of the collector's line of casting. Looks like it has some good detail as I can see out of the box. So let's open it up and see what those details are. So here is the XJ220 out of its box, and the very first thing you will notice is this paint job. This orange paint with blacked out roof and black wheels looks really good. These are rubber tires, so collector edition, right? I'm gonna start from the front. So up front you got some nice details. As you can see, headlamp, fog lamps, grille, everything is detailed. And I don't know if you can look close, if the camera can focus, but there is a Jaguar badge here too if you look closely. So really good details up front. Even with the paint looks really good. This orange, the shade of orange looks really good. This design on the hood again makes it look even better. And again, there's this blacked out panel with windshield wipers. So details are really good. You got both the mirrors. Since it's kind of tinted roof, you can see the interior too. Like it looks nice. It's black interior and the crossbars here. Really nice. Now let's move to the driver's side. So on the driver's side you can see there's this, I think that's the turn indicator, front and back. We have seen these wheels before on Matchbox collectors. They look really nice here with just rubber wheels. You got the XJ220 written on the side. You can see the door handles detailed there, and even this plastic piece on some of the Matchbox, it doesn't really look good, but here they have used paint. I think it's paint, or I don't know if it's a sticker, but they have blacked it out and it kind of looks nice here. Gives it a more character, or more close to the usual car where you have all this blacked out and then the glass on the side. Looks good. And here you can see there's a big vent here. I love the shape of the older cars, especially older British cars. If you look how good it looks. At one point I think the XJ220 was like the fastest car. One point. Coming to the rear, again good details on the rear. You see the tail lamp is detailed. You got Jaguar written on the back. You got a big spoiler, and even on the bottom it's painted nicely. And you have the exhaust coming out. The diffuser looks nice too. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. Don't see any major differences. This is how it's looked from the top. Again, good details here. You can see how they have blacked out the top of the wing and on the end of the windows. Even you can see the engine there. I bring it closer to the camera. So yeah, overall it has got some really nice details. This is how it looks from the bottom. It's almost flat from the bottom, no details there. So the question, should you get this? I think even if you're not a fan of Jaguars, you should, because it's a very big part of a British car history, the XJ220. It was something that I think Jaguar never did again, like one of these fast, crazy supercars. They did have type, but it was not a crazy supercar. It was more of a sports car. So yeah, you should get this. This paint looks nice, and I think Matchbox has done a great job with all the details on it too. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.